Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos. In this video, we'll learn how to save old item group taxes in Logic ERP. Let's begin by going to the Set Groupwise Taxes module. Select the group from here, and you will notice two available tax groups. The first one, GST taxes, represents the current tax group. The second one, GST taxes before 22nd September, represents the tax settings applicable prior to 22nd September, allowing the system to manage tax regions separately based on the GST structure before and after the specified date. Let's proceed by selecting the GST taxes group first. Now, choose all the applicable tax slabs and click OK. Select the tax region. Here, the software will display both the current tax region and the old tax regions, where all settings were preserved prior to 22nd September. Let's begin by selecting the current tax region. Click on Refresh. These are our current predefined item group taxes linked with their respective tax types. Now, select the GST taxes before 22nd September and choose the old tax regions. Next, link the respective tax regions to their corresponding tax slabs. We are linking old GST tax groups with old tax regions prior to 22nd September to ensure that, if a customer needs to generate a bill under the previous tax slab, the system can handle it accurately. The old item group taxes have been successfully linked with the relevant tax types. Now, let's select the current GST taxes group along with the current tax region. As per the latest GST update on apparels, effective from 22nd September 2025, items priced above 2,500 rupee will be subject to 18% GST, while those priced at 2,500 rupees or below will be taxed at 5%. To implement this change in the system, we will create the required tax types accordingly and linked with the GST apparel tax regions to align with the updated structure. Now, let's create tax types for both sales and purchases and linked with the current GST apparel tax regions. To do this, go to Setup Tax Types, Sale, and proceed with creating a new tax type for GST apparel. Enter the tax description as GST Sale Apparel 5, 18%. Link it with GST Sale 5%. Next, select the sales tax account as SGST output 2.5%. Define tax 1 and tax 3 as 2.5%. In the tax 1 account column, assign CGST output 2.5%. After that, enable the option Use for GST and set the GST type as CGST SGST. In the same way, set tax types for inclusive taxes. For the inclusive tax type, define tax 1 as 2.5%, tax 2 as 5%, and tax 3 as 2.5%. The remaining settings will stay the same. For the IGST sale tax type, enter the tax description as IGST sale apparel 5, 18%. In the sale account column, allocate IGST sale 5%. Choose IGST output 5% in the sales tax account column. In the tax 3 column, define 5%. Mark it as use for GST and set the GST type as IGST. Similarly, create the tax type for IGST sale apparel 5, 18% inclusive. Define 5% in both the tax 2 and tax 3 columns and then save the settings. Now let's create tax type for purchase in Setup Tax Types Purchase module. Just like we created the tax types for sale, we will now set up the tax types for purchases. Once done, save the data. Next, go back to Set Group-Wise Taxes and select the current GST taxes group along with the current tax regions. Under the GST Apparels tax group, link the newly created tax types for both sales and purchases, and finally, save the data.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.